Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you are all doing very well. So, friends, we have come up with our new video for today. And today's new video is going to be about how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. Alright, so we will show you how to do it in this video. So, let's start the video without delay. First of all, open your Gmail app. After opening, you will see an interface like this. So, what do you have to do? You will find an option with 3 lines on the side. You need to click on the option with 3 lines. After doing that, you can see all mails here. If you click on all mails, all the emails that have come to your inbox or that you have sent, everything will be stored here. So from here, you can view all your emails. Imagine you didn't get it, and imagine that you've deleted that email from your phone or Gmail. I will also show you where you can retrieve those. So again, you will see 3 lines above. You have to click on these 3 lines again. After doing this, under all mail, you will see an option called trust. You need to click on your trust. When you click, all the emails you have deleted until now will be shown here. You can restore those from here. Alright, and you can also view those emails from here. If you liked our video, please give a like and a subscribe and share the channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video.